What if I told you $200 can get you a phone that actually feels flagship level? No joke. Today we're looking at some shockingly good budget phones that prove you don't need to spend $1,000 to get a great smartphone. Let's kick things off with the Motorola Moto G Play 2024. The definition of simple, reliable, and budget-friendly. This phone is clearly aimed at everyday users who just want something that works. You get a clean Android experience, solid battery life, and a 50-megapixel main camera that's surprisingly decent in good lighting. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage aren't groundbreaking, but for basic tasks like calls, messaging, browsing, and streaming, it holds up just fine. Motorola's software is lightweight, so performance stays smooth for daily use. If you're buying a phone for a parent, a backup device, or just want something ultra affordable and dependable, this one absolutely earns its spot here. Check the description for the product link and latest price. Now this is where things start getting wild. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 feels like it has no business being this cheap. You're getting a massive 6.67-inch 120Hz display, a ridiculous 108-megapixel AI camera, and a generous 256GB of storage with 8GB RAM. That spec sheet alone is insane for the price. The smooth 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling feel buttery, and the camera delivers impressive detail for social media and everyday photography. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day and more. If you care about screen quality, storage, and raw value, the Redmi Note 14 is one of the strongest budget phones you can buy right now, especially for unlocked GSM carriers. Find the direct purchase link in the description below. The Google Pixel 6a is still one of the best camera phones you can get near this price range. Google's image processing is doing heavy lifting here, delivering photos that often look better than phones costing way more. Skin tones, night shots, and HDR performance are where this phone really shines. You also get clean, stock Android with smooth performance and regular updates straight from Google. The Tensor chip isn't built for gaming marathons, but for daily use, multitasking, and content creation. It's rock solid. If camera quality and software experience matter more to you than flashy specs, the Pixel 6a is still a killer deal. Product link is waiting in the description. Samsung seriously stepped things up with the Galaxy A26 5G. This phone feels way more premium than its price suggests. You get a gorgeous 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, which is rare at this budget, plus IP67 water resistance, another feature usually reserved for higher-end phones. Performance is smooth for daily use. Storage is generous at 256GB with 8GB RAM. And Samsung's One UI with Android 15 brings plenty of AI-powered features. Add 5G support and solid battery life, and you've got one of the most well-rounded budget phones of 2025. If you want a big, beautiful screen and premium features without paying flagship money, this one is a standout. Check the description for the best deal available. Yes, the iPhone 11 still deserves a spot on this list. Even years later, Apple's optimization keeps this phone feeling smooth and reliable. The A13 chip still handles apps, social media, and video recording with ease, and iOS updates keep it relevant. The camera system is consistent and dependable, especially for video, which Apple still does better than most budget Android phones. Battery life is decent, build quality is solid, and the ecosystem support is unmatched. If you want a trusted iPhone experience on a tight budget, the iPhone 11 remains a surprisingly strong option. Grab the product link from the description below. So, yeah, budget phones have officially gone crazy. Whether you want the best camera, biggest screen, or smoothest experience, there's a legit option here under $200. Check the links below and tell me which one shocked you most.